Good morning, dear students. In the flashcard, we have studied about wool. Animals like sheep, goat, alpaca, llama, yak, etc. provide us with wool fiber. This fiber has to pass through various processes to become a sweater or a shawl. So, today, let us learn about the processes involved in the wool production. The wool obtained from sheep, goat, camel, etc. has to be cleaned, processed and woven into wool. The steps involved in wool production are shearing. Shearing means removing the hair from the body of animal. This is done using scissors or clippers. It does not hurt the animal. It is done in the spring or summer season when it is hot and the fiber is not required by the animal. Till the next winter, the hair grows again. Here you can see the process of shearing. In countries like Australia, a technology called BioClip is used. It is a kind of injection given to the sheep. Because of this injection, the hair falls on its own. After shearing, it is necessary to remove dust, dirt, grease, etc. from the wool. This is done by scouring. Scouring means washing with the help of detergents and alkali. Here you can see the process of scouring. After scouring, the wool is passed through the rollers to dry. Then it is sorted to remove the damaged wool. Then the wool is graded and separated according to its length, color and quality. So process of grading means sorting and grouping wool according to its features. Features means here length, color, quality, texture and so on. Then the wool is sent for dyeing. Dyeing means coloring of wool. Usually natural wool is white, cream, brown or black in color. But it can be dyed into different colors. Again the wool fiber has to be dried to remove all the moisture from it. After drying, the wool is weighed and packed into bales and sent to the mills for spinning. We have learnt about the process of spinning, but before spinning, wool has to be carded and combed. That is, it has to be straightened before packing into bales. In class 6, we learnt about spinning. Fibers are twisted together to make yarn or thread. This yarn or thread is stronger than a single fiber. So spinning means the combed fiber are twisted together to form yarn or thread. Here you can see the process of spinning. This is manual spinning or done by small machines. Here this is done on an industrial scale, on large scale. After spinning, weaving or knitting gives you the woolen fabric. You must have seen people knitting at home, your grandmother or somebody knitting at home. It can be done using knitting needles or with the help of machines. Here this is a simple machine for knitting and here this is a knitting needle being used for knitting. Now in this picture you are shown the summary of the wool production process. Starting with shearing, then the fleece is baled to transport, then here it is washed. Here this is a carding machine where it is straightened. Then it is converted into yarn and formed into balls. Students, I hope you have understood the topic clearly. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.